Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing this afternoon?
Doing fine.
Through the class representative, there is an attendance list going round. Make sure you mark your attendance for this session. Last time, we were solving some simultaneous equations using the inverse matrix method. And I left an assignment. Did anyone encounter any difficulty? So I require you to submit that assignment by the end of this class. Is that clear? Yes. Okay, so what date is it today? This is 6th. Anybody with an idea concerning grammar school? Anybody with any idea concerning grammar school? Yes, Dennis.
Yeah, this is the use of determinants. Yes, you compute the determinant of a given matrix. Now you also exchange the determinant. You see the those elements are they elements?
Let's explain.
Oh, so you replace the elements in the main matrix with the elements from the other side of the matrix.
Did you have any different idea? Maybe? Anyone with any different opinion concerning that? None. So Dennis is right. It's also called the method of determinants. So we're going straight away. I'll give an example and then I can give you some questions so that you can solve them on your own. Okay, so we have this as the simultaneous equations. So step 1, we are going to arrange all these in matrix form. By arranging in matrix form, we will pick the coefficient of each. For example, here we have 1, 2, -3. We have 2, -1, -1. We have 3, 2, 1. Multiplied by, we have the x, y, z. It will be equal to 3, 11, -5. Up to that point, anyone with any difficulty? Okay. So we can have this as our A, we can have this as our B, we can have this as our C. So first of all, we find the determinant of A. Do you have any idea on how to find the determinants of 3 by 3 matrix? Do you remember what we were doing? Okay.
You take the first column.
Yes.
First row. The first column.
Okay.
Wherever you
You close the row where 1 is and the column where 1 is. Then
This
you,
and this.
yes, then you will see it's 1, negative 1
Negative 1.
times 1 minus.
So we can arrange them that way first, right?
Yes.
And
Then you got the second number, which is 2.
2. Do we add? Do we subtract?
You now subtract because it was on.
Okay.
And then you take it as outside the matrix and form as simpler matrix,
Okay, we form a simpler matrix.
which is 2, 2 negative 1, 3, 1.
3, 1.
Yes.
And then?
You have, you take negative 3, negative 3 outside. You form a simpler matrix whereby it is 2, negative 1, 3, 2.
2, negative 1,
3, 2.
3, 2. That is correct. Anyone with any idea when we subtracted at this point?
The identity matrix for the 3 by 3 starts multiplication, then negative, then multiplication. Addition, negative, subtraction, addition.
The last time when we were, yes, please.
Is it because of the cofactor?
Yes, exactly. It's because of the cofactors. So with, through the method of cofactors, we have this as positive, this is negative, this is positive. Same thing here. And then now this one becomes negative, positive, negative. So through that, that is why we've done exactly this. I hope you have your calculators with you. I will require a value for this. The determinant, you take the main diagonal, the product of the main diagonal minus the product of the other diagonal. So what do we have for the first one? 1. Okay. What do we have here? 5 for the whole thing. Okay, so that is minus 5. Yes?
No.
2 into 5. 2. Okay. 2 times 5.
Yes.
Yes.
Minus 3.
Minus 3 into
7.
7. Okay. When we calculate all this, what are we going to get?
1 minus 10.
This is 1 minus 10 minus 21.
Times negative 10.
So we have our determinant as negative 30. So after obtaining the determinant, and we've already arranged the matrix this way, we now move to the next step where we want to obtain determinant x. So we replace c in x. So we'll have 3, 11, negative 5, 2, negative 1, 2, and negative 3, negative 1, 1. Is that right? So we again obtain the determinant of this, which will now be our dx. So we'll have 3 into, yes, negative 1, negative 1, 1, minus 2 into 11,
Negative 1.
2. Okay, you tell me so that I know where I'm placing them because I'm good.
Negative 1.
Negative 1,
Negative 5.
negative 5, 1. Plus
Minus 3.
negative 3. So when you multiply positive by negative, it's definitely a negative. Minus 3 into
11.
11, negative 1,
Negative 5. 2.
negative 5, 2. Okay. So we'll have 3 into, what do we get here?
1.
1 minus 2 into 6. Sure? Minus 3 into
17.
pardon? 6. Here we have negative 6. Okay. Thank you for that correction. Yes?
17.
That is 22 minus 5, which is 17. Okay, what do we obtain as our final?
11 minus 5.
So we'll have 3 plus 12. Pardon? It's positive 6. Please let us begin with our calculator. I don't have one, so I'm relying on you. So we'll have 3 minus 12 minus that. What will we have?
3.
What is negative? Negative 60. So we are obtaining our dx, which is negative 60. So to obtain x, we have dx over d, which will be negative 60 over, you remember the d that we got, the determinant we got, which was negative 30. So we'll have our x as 2. So we move to the next step. We now replace c into y from our initial matrix, which is 1, 2, 3, 3, 11, negative 5, and then 3, negative 1, 1. Again, we are supposed to obtain the determinant, which will now give us the y. So we'll have 1 into 11, negative 1,
Negative 5, 1.
negative 5, 1, yes, minus,
Minus 3.
into
2, negative 1.
2, negative 1,
3, 1.
3, 1,
3.
plus,
That was minus 5.
pardon?
Minus 5.
Oh, from our initial, this was a negative 3. Sorry for that. So we'll have, it's positive and negative. So that will give us a negative. Thank you, Shikuku. Minus 3 into
2,
2,
11,
11,
3, negative 5.
3, negative 5. So what are we going to have? From your calculator? This is 11 minus 5,
5, 6.
which is 6, minus, or is it positive? Let's just see.
5, 3 to 5.
5. Minus 3 into
5.
5.
Minus 3.
Into
23. Minus 23.
minus 23.
Right.
Okay. So very fast, what do we obtain here?
It's 43.
This is 6 minus 15 minus
Minus 33.
negative. This is negative 33
Right.
from here. Okay. Are you sure about this? Please use your calculators.
90. Total is 90.
So our dy is
90.
90. So to obtain our y, we'll take dy divided by d, which is 90, divided by
Negative 30.
negative 30, which will be negative 3. So as your assignment for today, I would want you to obtain z. And then I'd want you to obtain the value of z. You first find the determinant, z, and then you multiply it by d. And then we'll continue from there. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Any questions?